Hello, I just got this kind of package from the post. There should be two locks inside this, one bigger and one smaller. Let's try to pick bigger one. If I can open this box. Okay. Yeah, open. Whatever. This looks like bigger one. This one. Let's try to pick it. First, if I look, it's Abloy Classic. It's locked. Let's try. It's turning nicely. I would like to have it like this here. Need to open some more. So it's Abloy Classic 250. Perfect. This one like this. Then leave it there. This. Then just this. Like this maybe. And here's a light. Okay. So let's lock it. Then let's take the pick and let's see. Like this. Let's start from the last one. First is nicely at the gate, next one. Okay, it opened. Wow. Okay, so it's opened. Then let's try to do the cut. For that I need to remove this from here. Tight. Like this. that one, and then I close the lock and remove this big. Like this. Then I can remove this, maybe. It's a bit rusty maybe. Then I need this. Looks clean. Sidebar. First disc. It's not freewheeling actually, it's so. I forget to check, but this seems to be not freewheeling. Yes, there's that one. Next one. No master keying, at least in these. Then anti-big disc. Spacer missing. Okay, it was there. I bought this lock from someone without key. Now my target is to make a key for this. In this video I just presented how much time it took to pick this lock. Just when I opened the box. So it was kind of random lock picking or blind picking. However you want to call it. Or was that last one? Okay. That much fun for this lock. I will make a key for it and then throw it to my box where all other locks are. So Abloy PL250. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.